The physical attribute of a person in time of change, but the goodness and greatness of the heart will last a lifetime. A glorious evening to each and every one, standing here in front of you is a 17 years old scholar, all the way from Santo Tomas, Pasig City. And tonight, please do allow me to use this stand battling of Miss Bongs Garcia, na nag-iwan po ng isang katagal ang pamilyang sama-samang naglalakbay, pinalaya sa iluupanang bahay. Thank you.